Hi, my name is Andre Palmer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a one-drop reggae drum beat in FL Studio using the step sequencer. Let's begin. The first step in creating a reggae drum beat is we need a drum kit. So we're going to go over to the browser window, we're going to go under packs, and we're going to select drum mode audio, and we're going to select our drum kit. What we're going to need is a kick drum, a snare drum, rim shot, open and close hi-hat, and a cymbals, and probably that's it we're going to use for now. We're going to create a basic one drop beat. So we're going to go under kicks and find something that we can use. Want something not too boomy, not too, I just want something that sounds a little bit more live-ish but have a lot of thump for create our one drop. Alright, so the next thing we're going to search for now is our sample, is our snare drum underneath in the snare packs section. Something sound more live. I can use that. Then I'm going to need a rim shot. So we can work with that. A hi-hat and I don't like any of those hi-hat sounds, so I'm going to another pack. Right. I won't work with that for now. Can add everything else after. I'll go back to Alright. So for one drop beat, the BPM now for okay. The next thing now after we added our drum kit is we're going to create our pattern, and before we create our pattern we need to set the tempo. So for one drop, 87 and to about from 70 BPM to about 87 BPM, probably sometimes faster, is right in the centers where we can find the tempo and the BPM for one drop rhythm. So to create a one drop beat now, it's 4 beats in our bar, and the kick and the snare or the rim shot, you put that in the step sequencer on the 5th step in the 16 step sequencer and on the 13th step, right? And set our BPM to about 80, and then we'll play that and hear it sounds. I'm gonna use a rim shot. So that's basically a one drop beat. So based on how the beat sounds now, the snare, the rim shot doesn't sync with the beat, so what we're going to do is fix that. And the playback offset button. That's all we need of that. And Alright, so now we're going to add we're going to right click on the hi-hat and we're going to select fill each 2 steps, and let's play that and hear a 1 drop beat. Okay, changing the sound. And that's our 1 drop beat. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to create a bass line. We'll be adding our bass line, adding the piano sounds, the bang, the guitar bang, the organ bubble, and we're going to arrange our beat and everything. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. My name is Andre Palmer, and this is a tutorial brought to you by Remla Productions. One love.